Hi! Good morning, Moret! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy blessed birthday sa'yo, Kabsat Moret! More birthday to comes. Enjoy your day. God bless you and your family. Syempre, nagpapasalamat ako kay God kasi binigay ka niya sa akin bilang isang kaibigan at hindi lang yon kundi parang kapatid na rin. Natutuwa ako kasi ikaw yung binigay niya sa akin. Kaya I love you, Muret. I miss you. See you soon ulit. Bye!